It's so blissful that there is a bond of protection, love, and commitment between a brother and his sister, and that is called Raksha Bandhan. We are celebrating Raksha Bandhan today. A very hearty morning to one and all present here. And this is Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 8 presenting today's morning assembly. And let me wish you all a very happy Raksha Bandhan. The fragile silk thread connotes a profound and eternal relationship between the brother and sister, which is indulgent. Oh God, thank you for your constant love and protection for your children. Let us move to the morning prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, put down your hands now. May God's presence go with us and our siblings everywhere we go. We are Indians and we proud the country we live in. Pledge of elegance inculcate the value of patriotism amongst us. Let us take a vow with Paki from class 8th. Thank you, Paki. My dear friends, Raksha Bandhan is a joyous occasion to celebrate the bond of love of a brother and sister all across India, because the essence of any Indian festival are love, friendship, bonding and relationship. And these are truly symbols of Raksha Bandhan as well. Let us move to the next part, and that is today's thought. For this, I would like to invite Shareen from class 8th. Good morning to all of you. My name is Shareen. Today's thought is: children of the same family, the same blood, with the same first associations and habits, have some means of enjoyment in their power which no subsequent connections can supply. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you, Shareen, for such a nice thought. This one day celebration is associated with siblings' heartwarming relationship, commemorating some so sweet quarrels and lovely memories of brothers and sisters. It strengthened the foundation of their unique relationship. On this holy festival, we have something to share with you and hope that you will definitely like that. And now, I would like to invite Vani from class 8 to recite a poem. Thank you, Vani, for such a nice poem. Rakhi is undoubtedly one of the most sentimental and significant festivals, which every brother and sister eagerly waits for the whole year. Boys promise to protect their sisters, and the ladies tie Rakhi on their brother's wrist. To make our day more beautiful, we have something special for you, and that is a song. For this, I am inviting Nancy and Virat from class 8. Thank you so much, Nancy and Virat, for such a nice song. The celebration of Raksha Bandhan has been famous in the exact same way with the unchanged traditions for over centuries. And there are several stories related to the celebration of this special festival. To know more about the Raksha Bandhan, I would like to invite Radhe from class 8th. Thank you, Radhe, for such a valuable speech. After National Anthem, oh gracious God, thank you for the gift of brothers and sisters. And now today's assembly is over. Thank you so much for cooperating. Have a nice day ahead.